Okay, hi. I've got my copy of Architectural 2019 open. I've gotten it this far. You can see I'm actually building with two separate structures here. I want to explain to you why I did that. I'm going to hit Shift F6 to tile the screens, and we'll get this a little more lined up. There we go. Whoops. Okay, now we'll switch back to the plan view screen. I'm going to undo some of what I did. Now I just set the walls here for a gambrel roof. Let's see, that didn't look right. Now here it is, 20 and then 4, 20 and then 4. I just guessed at the pitches. And what I did is I put this wall in here temporarily so I could raise and lower the ceiling height. Now I'm going to delete that wall and you'll see what happens. See how it drops. Now we have a symmetrical barn roof here and a shed roof over here. Now on this one, I took these side walls, just like the reference manual says, and set these to full gable walls here and here. And this wall on the roof tab, I set to, I wanted a 312, and that's what that 312 shed, that's created a shed roof. And then this wall, I programmed as high shed gable, high shed gable roof. So that's the basic stuff to create a shed roof over this separate structure. And then I've got the main structure here. Now, in order to raise this up to meet that, and I went over here to the wall tools. You could use an invisible wall or a solid wall, it doesn't matter. Go over to this. Well, hang on a second. Yeah, I'm going to draw an invisible wall over here. So I can section this part off. And see, it already jumped up there because what I did to raise it is to raise the ceiling height. I'm going to raise it 6 more inches to 138. That's a pretty good match for architectural. That's about as good as you're going to get. Earlier I saw, there's an anomaly right here. I don't know what, since you can't click on that and delete it, I don't know what's causing it. But for the most part, we've got what's needed and wanted. Now I'm going to go over to the plan view screen, go out to the build menu, and go to roof, build roof. Now I'm going to turn off auto rebuild roof so that I've got the roofs about where I want them so that they don't automatically rebuild. And then I could just connect this wall here. Now, once this is done, you can't rebuild roofs again because then they would go all to pieces. But I've basically got something pretty close to what you've got there, and I was just fiddling around for a show and tell. Let me click on this screen. I mean, you'd have to get all the dimensions checked and so forth, but that's how you would do it in architectural. In Pro, I could do a much easier rendition of this. Easier for me because I'm used to Pro and Premiere. But this is how I think you would do it in architectural. Okay. Hope this helps you. Thank you.